The Jordan 1 High Pollen releases on Saturday, August 14th with a retail price tag of $170. And your boy got them early. So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you a full detailed review on these things, and you know your boy's going to hit you with an on feet. And we start right now. Alright guys, so I picked these sneakers up early from GOAT, and they are being released this Saturday, August 14th with a retail price tag of $170, and I'm going to be bringing you guys this early review to see if this is something that you want to pick up this Saturday when they release. Now the first thing that I want to talk about is this box. Now as you guys know, whenever you get Jordan 1s, they normally just give you that red and black box, but in this case you're going to get a black and yellow box. And I really do like what Jordan Brand's been doing recently. Special releases have been getting different boxes and stuff like that. Now, I don't know how I would feel about that if they just did things like that all the time. It may start to feel cheap and stuff like that, but in this case, I really do like the presentation of the box. So the official size tag on this sneaker reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, and the colorway is Pollen White Black, and this is a personal pair, size 8. And here's an up-close look at the size tag. Alright, so like I was saying, I got these from GOAT. So you got your GOAT sticker, and then you got your GOAT verified authentication and quality control. You do get white tissue paper inside the box. And let's take our first up close look at the Air Jordan 1 Pollen. Bam! Now the Jordan 1 Pollen is a simple yet fire colorway in my opinion. You're basically just getting a black and yellow sneaker. It does have a little bit of white hits like on the midsole and a little bit on the tongue. It does come with yellow laces already in it. You will get extra laces though, so you're going to get an extra white pair and an extra black pair. For the time being, I'm going to go with the yellow laces. I think that's what's going to look the best. I may throw the black ones in later, I'm not really sure, but I'm not really feeling the white ones. I don't really think it's going to look that great, but for right now, I'm going to go with the yellow. Now this is an all leather sneaker, and I know some people are probably wondering about the quality of the leather that comes on this, and I gotta tell you guys, it's nice. Definitely buttery, definitely better than some of the other suspect Jordan 1 materials that we've seen on some of the releases this year. Definitely not bad at all, so I mean, they didn't really cheap out on the materials on this sneaker, so I mean, I wouldn't say that they're A1, but they're definitely very, very good, so the leather on this sneaker is nothing to worry about. Alright, so here's an up-close look of this Jordan 1. Now, as you can tell, the majority of the body of this sneaker will be in that pollen yellow. Up here, you're going to get that Jordan Wings logo in black. At the top of the sneaker, you will get this plush black leather. It's very, very soft, very, very nice. Down here in the middle portion of the sneaker, you're going to get that black tumbled leather. And on top of that, it's going to have that Nike swoosh in pollen yellow. Pollen yellow all the way down the lace holes across the entire front toe box. And here's a shot of the toe box. As you can tell, it's very, very nice, very, very soft. It will come with yellow laces on it, then you will get a black tongue. At the top of the tongue, you will get that Nike logo that's done in the black, pollen yellow, and white. Now coming down the sneaker, you will get a white rubber midsole that wraps around the entire sneaker, and then you will get this yellow outsole in that classic Air Jordan 1 design. Now inside of the sneaker, you will get a black sock liner with a black insole, and then you'll have the Nike Air branding done in yellow. So now that we talked about the materials and we did the review, let me go ahead and show you what they look like on feet, and then I'll come back to give you my final thoughts on the Air Jordan 1 Pollen. Now when it comes to the Air Jordan 1 Pollen, in my opinion, this colorway is fire. The materials on this sneaker are very, very nice. I do recommend picking this up if this is something that you want to add into your collection, and this will be dropping on August 14th for $170. Now personally for me, I'm going to try to double up on this sneaker when it releases. I'm just a big fan of Jordan 1s, and this colorway is definitely something that I would like to double up on if I'm able to do so for retail, but I know it's going to be a little bit difficult. So hopefully I'm able to do so. Now when it comes to sizing, definitely go true to size. So whatever you normally wear in an Air Jordan 1, whether it's a low, a mid, or a high, that's the size that you're going to want to get here. I always pick up a size 8. This fits me perfectly. I have no complaints. But I want to know what you guys think about the Air Jordan 1 Pollen. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Or is this trash? Comment down below and let me know if you're going to be trying to pick this up on August 14th. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button for your boy. It really does help put my videos out in front of more people and helps my channel grow. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.